I know a lot of my viewers like unboxings, so I thought I'd do one. You've all seen my video of castles and my drone flying. Well, that's with the Parrot Bebop Drone 1. This is number 2. And I bought it because number 1 is brilliant, and number 2 flies not 7 minutes but 25 minutes. So I can get the Parrot 1 flying about just under 2 kilometers. So this will go theoretically 8 kilometers, or 4 kilometers out and 4 kilometers back. I don't know, I'm going to have to find out. But anyway, let's see what we get for our money. Now, I see a lot of people doing these unboxings, particularly Americans, and they take up their really dangerous knives to open the box. So I've got my dangerous knife. And I slew mighty dragons with this. Let's use this to open the box. I can never open these boxes. They're much too clever for me. Now, when I was a kid, I just used to rip these boxes to pieces. That was the best way to get into them. But now, I've grown up, I just suffer with the stupid little tags. Anyway, there we go. Now what do we do next? So let's see what we've got inside. Now this is the key piece. This is a kick-ass battery. It's a 250 whatever it is lithium battery, and that's what gives this thing the oomph. So that's the connector for the computer. There we go. What's in here? Manuals, well, we don't read them. Powery bits, don't know what that plugs into, but we'll find out later. Looks like the charger. Widget. USB thing. Australian connector, yay! French connector, it's the French connection. English, we like that. American. And this is the power thing. So, as we are in this country, you've got to put this on here. So how does this go? Is this a twisting one? Ooh, that looked like it was meant to do that. Oh, there we go. Click. That's fine for now. Drone. Ah. Propellers. Spare propellers. So obviously going to have to put this all together. So drone, piles of propellers, and I didn't break any of the propellers on the original one. And that's it. Secret pocket. What's in here? Rubbish. Instructions, we don't read them. Maybe I need my dangerous knife for that. Or maybe it's stuck on the box. Well, stuck on the box. Oh, okay. Don't fly near stadiums. Good advice. Rubbish. So here we have the machine. I think I'm going to go white. White is the colour of flight. And that's now on. So the battery, this is the battery, and it's nicely wrapped. I don't know why they bother, but they do. And the old one, you had to strap on, come on, you had to strap on the power supply. But in fact, there's still room for that. Oh, nice. Nice click. That says, that's home. And, oh, that's good of them. The last one didn't have that. It's got a camera cap to protect the lens. Although I didn't really need to protect the lens on the other one. Even when it was dirty, it was still making fantastic video. And the other good innovation is this. This light flashes. And when you fly this off too far, all you can see is a blob in the sky. You can't see anything at all. This enables you to see which way it's pointing. Because there's no good trying to fly it back if you can't see which way you're going, because you could be flying it further away. And if you're running out of batteries, that could be really bad news. This is a charging cable, I expect. So this is going to go in here, isn't it? See, who needs manuals? Okay, so there we are. So now it's ready to charge. Come on, off you come. By the way, that is where you plug it into the computer. This thing, I take it, might clip it out. Does that work? Oh, it moves. Do you push it in? Do you lift it up? That's all very good. Nice workmanship. They've improved the finish on this thing significantly. And I see you just plug this in here. Oops, I'll maybe go the way up. There you go. That's how you charge them. And I'm going to charge this up now because, boy, do I want to fly this baby. So I will.